No sea, no refineries, limited roads. Yet, trade still moves. This is Central Africa. Central Africa holds some of the world's richest resources and some of the hardest logistics on Earth. When logistics fails here, millions suffer. The Democratic Republic of Congo, minerals, agriculture, river trade. Cameroon, gateway ports and oil. Chad, landlocked, fuel-dependent. Central African Republic, food imports and aid logistics. Gabon, oil exports and timber. Equatorial Guinea, LNG and crude. Different strengths. One connected challenge. In Central Africa, rivers replace highways. Most countries import fuel. Oil arrives at coastal ports, then travels hundreds of kilometers inland. One border delay, fuel shortages, food inflation, power cuts. Here, energy logistics controls life. The Atlantic ports of Douala and Libreville, the Congo River corridors, road links from Nigeria and Angola. No shortcuts, only planning. Poor infrastructure, seasonal floods, security risks, border delays, high transport costs. Trade here is not fast, it must be smart. When systems are weak, professionals become the system. They design routes, manage risk, control costs, and keep food and fuel moving. At Protechnica, you don't just learn shipping, you learn survival logistics, Central Africa trade geography, river and landlocked logistics, food and agricultural supply chains, fuel and essential goods transport, border, risk, and security planning. Central Africa is not easy. That's why experts are rare. Become the professional companies trust when trade must reach the world's hardest places. Protechnica, training global trade professionals for the world's toughest routes.